Hi, welcome back to the channel. We've got some good news. We have the trough sink finished up. Now, I didn't have time to film it while we were making it, but I did want to show you the finished product. Pretty exciting. It turned out really good. So let me turn this camera around and we'll take a look. Here is the trough sink. We are super excited. It looks great. This material worked out perfect. It's a pretty narrow vanity, so we have the double faucet holes because the house is pretty small and they still wanted to have the two faucets in it. So they're rather close together. But the trough sink can be put pretty much anywhere and it can be custom size, made to fit. See, the seams turned out perfect. This is the very bottom of it. It's a drain hole. And so this is all sloped right down to the drain. It looks great in the corners there, where seamed together. That's always the most difficult part, doing inside corners with the epoxy. This particular vanity has a 6-inch front apron, very modern look. But because it was so narrow and there's not a lot of countertop space, the customer has asked us to make a little shelf that we made here. This has a little rabbet in the back, so it just sits down right over that. So they can remove that. They can remove that if they need to. And then this didn't have splash, so they're going to use tile splash for this countertop. Also, in the prototype video, I showed you the drain, but we didn't have the rings made. So let me turn this over and I'll show you the drain. Okay, so this is the bottom, the back side of it. This measures about 4.5 inches. This measures approximately 1.5 inches. This is the drain opening. So how we did this, we stacked 3 pieces of material and we cut it out the same diameter as the drain pipe assembly, so it would fit right on there. Perfect. So, single drop edge apron. See, it's all nice and cleaned out around there. Of course, this is the back side. It doesn't really matter all that much, but anyway. So we're really excited about making this new trough sink. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching.